to show you um, the performance from last week to this week. I have shown in the last video like how the performance is in terms of my algorithm for a couple of stocks. So today I want to continue that and want to showcase like different set of symbols and how they are doing, and I want to walk you through my uh, analysis and the output. So let me start with opening the link. So currently this link which I am publishing is not available for commercial use, and if you guys are interested, then post in the comment saying I'm interested to see more. So I can give you a different link where you can see the data. So if you see currently right now we have this axis, but it won't work for more than one user. So I'm going for set of stocks now. So I'm taking FB stock. I'm using SPY. I'm using Roku. Okay. So these are the different stocks I want to go through, and I want to show you like how the performance is in terms of my analysis and algorithm. So FB currently today date is current the time is 2:46 p.m. Sunday Eastern time. So FB is on this last Friday FB closed at 179.24. If I just go for FB and I'm loading historical data here. So if you see the data load as my previous video, I'm just doing the data load using history, and you can compare the last value which is 179.24. From there we can go to interactive hist and start update view so that you will get the portion of this selection points where I have selected the stock to buy and sell. See the latest stock. I think we discussed last time 4 days back, and now today is also we are in the trade. We start the trade at, you can see the performance stats using this tab. So currently we trade at 325 and we are still in the trade. So and because the trade is not ended here, so if you can see April 17th, it is after the 17th, right? So if you don't follow me, please watch my first video so that you will understand what I'm talking about. So right now that we are still at the trade and the performance is so far at 14%, 14.74. Okay, this is about history of Facebook. And similarly, I can go for today's statistics where I can load today's data. Okay, so once I load the today's load data, then I can go for interact today to apply the strategy on today's data. And before doing that, I want to change this parameter to 2 so that um, I will get the actual time zone that is required. This is if it is default, it will show you like this, but once you make this time zone different, then it will show you the actual times actual stock. So if you see the last couple of trades happened in today's intraday performance stats, then the probability is like 66% and we got nice profit of 18%, and we had a decent profit in last couple of days because it's 18% profit out of from 47 to 417. I mean 43 to 417. So it is 18% profit, which is very good intraday effort. And this is the strategy currently it is believing, and we are following this strategy. And you can see 66% and 18% last good amount of decent profit, and you can see the selection points here. It's pretty much good selection in that day, and this is also a nice selection. There are a couple of trades which we lose. That's why you got the probability which is around 66%. We're not at 100%. Out of 15 trades we made, 10 trades are successful, and total percent 18% we got, and the probability is 66%. And the current value is 179.24. 179.25, 179.25 when we are out of the, so which is 1556. This is a 5 minute candle, so you can think like we are in the trade. So starting Monday, actually this is a Friday trade. So if when the Monday the trading starts, trade day starts, it starts with a pink line. So that's the meaning of ending this pink line. Okay. So I hope you're clear on this. And see, this is good actually, 18% intraday. And if you see 13% when we started from here, it's from 4.3, we got 18%. And in intraday, if we go for a history trade, which is a long term, which is like 14%, 50 around 15%. This is also good. So intraday probability is high here, so meaning you can do day trading nicely here with options and all those things. So you can do the options and make good amount of profit here. Okay, this is about FB, and I would like to go to another stock which is SPY. So the future, so 500 stocks. So that SPY, I just want to see like the technical. It's purely technical analysis. The default strategy is this one. I will make uh, the model, and according to model the indicators combinations we'll select, and based on that we will do the strategies. Okay, so from Facebook to SPY, we just want to change. So SPY value is at currently at 286.64. Just compare to 86.64 the closing time. That is good. Once you have that 286.65, then I'm going for history here. So which, if you just do the refresh, it will come. It will come. Right now it's still pointing to Facebook. So give it some time. It will come. So because we are shifting the gates, that's why it is taking some times. So see here, the pink line started at May 27, and it is ended. It is not ended officially, but it is still we are in the trade at April 17th for SPY, which is having default strategy 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it's a default strategy. But I don't know whether we picked the default strategy or we picked something from model. If the I will be refreshing the strategy time to time in my system, but historical charts we don't refresh, but daily charts we refresh the strategy. Okay, so I just want to uh, show you the performance here for SPY how it is. So SPY it's not picked default strategy. Whenever some strategy is saved in my system, it will pick up from there and it won't be default. If there is no strategy which is saved in my system, then default will be picking up. And SPI has decent profit from the day that we have started, which is 13%. And March 27th we have started the trade, and 420, 417 we are still at the trade. We got this is 9 13% profit in history, and which is probability is 52% here for SPY. And if you go for today's load, we can just load the strategy here by using start and update view. So it will load. Just compare the values here so that you will make sure that the stock selection is right, and then we'll go for applying our technical understanding, I mean technical algorithm, so that it will give you the selection points. Okay, now selection points change. So to see the last trade, which is nice here from the pink portion. So we are moving up, moving up. It's a decent profit when you are looking at the options market with respect to this particular stock pink line or pink pattern. So you can see this is a good trade that we have selected. I'm not saying this is 100% probability approach, but they will get a decent probability of doing the trade like this. See, there are probability percentage 61. If you remember, Facebook also having around the 70s. I think SPY has around 60s. Meaning, out of 31 trades, we have made 19 trades are successful, which is 61% probability, and total percentage is at 13%, 13.97, which is 14%. And you see the stock selection points, which are good, and we got decent profit here in terms of intraday as well. So total 61% is probability is good as well. So that's the today's load. And if you see at 336, 350, here also the trade is um, on. So meaning the next day the trades will start like this. Next pink line will start like this if we follow the same strategy, right? So that's how it is. And we'll go for Roku. Roku. Okay, I want to close this and Roku. So once you load the stock, we'll just open the history load and it will come like this Roku. Okay, Roku has a decent profit now recent days, which is 126, 126.80. Okay, so now once you load the stock, we'll go to strategy and see like how my model is there for Roku. Just start and update view so that it will fetch the details from uh, the data which we loaded from, and it will apply my algorithm on top of the data and it will give you the results. Just monitor the price is 126 and here the chart is not yet started. So now just it is refreshed. So that is the clue that we can think like, okay, this is a decent profit. This is the stock got refreshed. And if you see like last trade, which is very good in terms of trading, when the stock is falling down, we don't lose our faith on our program and then it picked up slowly. So that's how it is. So you should not, sometimes we'll win losses, sometimes we'll win losses, but and the major part will be in the profits. That's how the system works here. So in the performance stats, if you see, it's very good actually compared to it started in 2017 onwards. 2017 that to approximately it is 2018 starting to 2020 March. We got 318% profit. It's not a dollar, it's a percent. So whatever the money you put, that is 318 times it got percentage profit. So and in the last trade itself we made 66%. From where the last trade started? 320. 320. So from where? From 320, which is like today the value is 126 and the time it is 76. So if you see last month itself we made 66% profit, which is huge in terms of margin. So this is how the model works, and if you believe it, it will be really good. So okay, now going to today's load. Okay, so today's load is something intraday, used for intraday. So intraday is something that you do trading on a regular basis. Like number of trades will be more, but it's more of option trading or something like that. I use this strategy. Okay, just wait for it because still it is showing for SPY because we were watching intraday for SPY previously. Now we just refreshed here using today's load, and now I am looking for intraday for Roku. Yeah, now it came up. So even though we have a decent profit here from April 3rd onwards, right? So we'll see how it performed in performance stats. But I think the selection points are, as I said, they were good comparatively, and we had a decent profit, I think. We'll see. Okay, now the strategy got loaded, and if you see the performance stats, Roku, it's selected for this intraday strategy is different from historical strategy because that's a daily candle and this is a 5-minute candle. And using the intraday strategy, you can make around 66% probability and 10% profit from 4-3, which is good enough in option market. 10% within 1 month, not even 1 month, it's 15 days. It's very good. Like this, you can, oh, not even 10%, sorry, it's still pointing to the old one. It's actually 34% here, which is superb and which is very good, and 70% probability, which is 71% probability. And this see the selection points, which is very natural. We don't know, right? So if the stock is going down, you don't believe usually if you are doing emotional trading. But I'm not doing emotional trading here. I'm using logistic patterns to analyze and understand, and doing accordingly, I build a model which can show you the plots and all those things. Okay. So this is the approach that I follow to trading for trading. I'm still at the learning phase. If you can help me out using your feedback, that way I will be appreciating that. And also, if you want to get the access for this, put a comment saying I'm interested to see more. I will ping you separately with your give me your email address or something. I can reach out to you. I'm saying it is not for commercial use at this point. I'm still at the beta testing, and this is a project that I've been working on for past 1 year. So please feel free to post your comment. If you don't like it, also tell me the reason. I will try to improve the system, and I'm making sure that we make some decent money here using this algorithm. Uh, Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.